video will create a priority queue of a custom class student with attributes, name and grade. Use a comparator to order by grade. Then, first of all, we will open this and create a this is to and grade. Inside it, we will create a private class student, create a private final name, name of the student, and also private final uh, grade of the student. Now we'll generate a constructor and also generate a getter. After that, we will create a static void main. Inside it, we will create a priority queue. New priority queue. And inside it, we will write a new comparator. It will return one dot grade minus O2 dot grade. Now we will add element in the priority queue PQ dot add. In place of it, we will use offer so we will doesn't get an exception, which is new student, and inside a student we will provide name and the grade of the student. Aman. Now we'll write different numbers so we pair them. Good to God. C then got B. Munni got A and Bittu got B. And now if we print, now if we want to print what print in this if we return PQ, we will see is there any error or not. We have to write our toString for this method. Generate toString. Now we will get student money, get grade A, student Sumit get grade B, student get grade C, and we will get in it not in the sorted order, but if we remove these element in from the priority queue, then we will get a sorted order. Like we will sort out queue dot goal. If we remove these element, then they will remove in the sorted order. Now, now you can see first restaurant name which have A grade, integrate rules out from the priority queue, then the B, then C, then D. Thank you.